Very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well at your homes. So let's start our English class. And today we'll start chapter 13 of our grammar chest book. As you can see, this one. Chapter 13, articles a and the. So let me share your ebook first of all in front of you. I hope you all can see the screen over here. So this is your ebook, chapter 13, articles a and the. As you can see here, I hope that you all know what are articles. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters in all. How many letters are there? 26 letters.
26.
Yes. Out of 26, 5 letters are called vowels. What are those letters? They are?
Vowels. A, E, I, O, U.
Yes, they are vowels. And the rest of them are called consonant. Understand? Look at here, article A. First of all, we'll study about article A. A book, a table, a board, a boy, a teacher, a chair. The word book, table, board, boy, teacher, and chair are all nouns. All of them are singular in number. They begin with a consonant sound and we use a before each of them. Because these words, book, table, board, chair, boy, teacher, they all are starting with the sound of consonant.
Consonant.
Not the sound of vowel. Understand? So we use a before common nouns which are singular in number and begin with consonant sound. Understand? Where we have to use a with the consonant sound. The word which start with consonant sound and single in number and are common noun. And where we have to use an, an elephant, an ass, an ox. As you can see, they all are starting with the sound of vowel. The word elephant and ass and ox are nouns. They are also singular, but all of them begin with the sound of vowel. So we use an before all of them. An octopus, an apple, an orange. We use an before common nouns which are single or one and begin with vowel sound. So these are some important points which are written here. Let's take a look. We say an honest man because honest, H, here H is silent and the sound of this word is starting with O, honest. That's why we are using an honest. Understand? O as honest.
Yes, ma'am.
We put an before honest. The letter H is silent and in the word honest. Some more examples, an R, an honor, honor. Again, sound of O is coming, honor, R. We say a utensil because utensil begin with the consonant sound. U, Y double O. You can see the sound of Y double O is coming. U. So we are using A. We are not using an. Still there is U, a word which belongs to vowel, but still we are using A. Why? Because the sound is coming is U, Y double O, U. So we put a before the word utensil. Some more examples, a useful animal, a used car. Same, the sound of U, Y double O is coming. That's why we are using a, not an. We say a 1 rupee note, a 1 rupee coin because 1 begins with the consonant sound W-A. Again here you can see O is written but still we are using A. Why? Because the sound is coming of that word is W-A, wow. As you can see it is written on your book as well. Same thing. So we put a before 1 rupee note. Understand? So don't be confused.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are we using A? Why are you using A? We are using
Ma'am.
because the sound of that word is coming W-A. And keep this point in your mind, it's very important. Otherwise, you will be confused and you will write the wrong answer and your marks will cut. So this exercise, A and N, I hope you all can do. Let me complete with one or two exercise for you all. I have dash uncle who is dash artist. What is the answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
my book is ma'am book अच्छी नहीं है.
Sorry?
मैम मेरे बुक में मैम कुछ और क्वेश्चन लिखा है.
That's okay. Question कुछ और लिखा है, but you can give the answer of this ना? इसका आंसर दे सकते हो ना?
yes.
कि नहीं दे सकते हो? I told you everything is in front of you.
Ma'am,
You can give the answer of any question. कोई भी question आ जाए.
Ma'am.
Doesn't matter this question is in a book or not.
Ma'am,
How many of you can give the answer? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Only two. Only three. Ayushi, Arushi, and Rishabh can give the answer. Hari. Oh, really, Hari? Very good. Anyone else? Only Ayushi, and Rishabh and Hari are able to give the answer. Yes, Rishabh, tell me.
Ma'am, the computer is a useful machine.
First one, look at here on the screen. The question which I am asking, which is written in the screen, not on your book, it's different. A bit different. There's a difference. That's why I'm asking you. Look at here, the question which is written here. The question in your book is different. The first question here is different. I have dash uncle who is dash artist. So what we have to write, A or an?
मैम
Who is saying Take care of the sound.
ma'am, can I give answer?
Yes, Arushi.
Ma'am, I have an uncle who is an artist.
Simple. Let's write down. An artist. Number two, dash lion and dash mouse. A lion and a mouse. Oh, this letter should be capital because it's the first one. The P is dash. The P is dash hard working insect. Gia left her house dash hour ago. Who can give me the answer? It's very simple. I just told you that. Hour ago. Hour. Yes, Arushi.
Ma'am, and
Yes, an hour.
no,
Dash one-eyed beggar scared the children. A or an?
Ma'am,
Who is saying
मैम
an? Who is saying an?
ma'am,
Yes, Arushi.
ma'am,
Yes, why a reason?
ma'am, because one is starting with consonant va.
The sound of consonant. It's not starting with the consonant. The word is starting with vowel. O is vowel.
Ma'am,
But the sound of
Yes.
that word one, WAA, wow, is coming. That's why we are writing a.
yes, ma'am.
The sound of O is not coming. Own. We are not saying own. We are saying one. Wow. The sound of WAA is coming. That's why we are using A, not an. Still, they are
Yes,
with vowel.
ma'am.
I just told you before here. It is written there in the paragraph above this exercise. You are not listening. That's why you all are giving. Some of the students are giving wrong answer. Try to understand it. What I am telling you. Rest of the exercise you all have to do by yourself. Tell me this one. Number 8. What is the answer here? The computer is
Ma'am,
as
A.
useful machine. A or an?
And
Who is saying an?
Ma'am, A. Ma'am, A.
Why A? Rishabh?
Ma'am,
Why A?
Ma'am,
Wait.
ma'am, I
Kritika,
can also give reason.
Yes, Neela.
मैम
Yes, Neela.
मैम क्योंकि इसमें एक चीज की बात कर रहे तो इसलिए आ रहा है।
Sorry. Please repeat.
मैम इस सेंटेंस में एक ही चीज के लिए बात कर रहे सो आ
Oh,
रहा है।
this is wrong answer.
Ma'am,
This is one of the answer, but it is not.
ma'am,
Yes. Why we are using a? That what I am asking. Rishabh is giving answer that A will come. And why it is coming? Yes, Arushi, give me the reason.
ma'am, because useful is starting with consonant sound. U, Y, double O.
Yes.
That's why we use a.
Here you can see U is written. U is vowel. So don't be confused that U लिखना है तो we have to write an. We have to write A. अब A क्यों लिखना है? Why? The reason is that the sound is useful. U, Y double O. The sound is coming Y double O, U. So we don't have to use U. We don't have to use an. We have to use a. Understand? So write down a here. So move to the next exercise. Otherwise we'll stuck here. Put a or an before the following nouns. A or an before the following nouns. I hope you all can do this exercise as well by yourself. It's very simple. An interesting story, a pair of shoes. You all have to do this exercise by yourself. If you have any doubt, then in case of that, just ask me. Move to the next exercise, next topic, which is the, article the. Use a or an when we talk of any person or thing. When we talk of particular person or thing, we use the. Give me a book, any book. Give me the book you are reading. A particular book we are talking about. Open a box, any box. Open the box behind you. Particular box which is behind you. Understand? Whenever we are talking about a particular person or thing, then we have to use the. Whenever we are talking about any person, anything, then we can use a or an. Understand? This is the way where we have to use the. You can see here exercise. Dash story, short stories written by Tagore are very interesting. Dash short story written by Tagore are very interesting. What is the answer? The short stories, because we are talking about the particular stories. Understand? I wrote a story. Dash ostrich is in the cage. We are talking about the particular ostrich which is in the cage. Dash bus parked outside our school has a punctured tire. The bus parked outside. We are talking about the particular bus. He found dash rupee coin in the park. A 1 rupee. We are talking about normal, any, not a particular coin, any coin. When we speak of a person or thing, or for the first time, we use a or am. But when we speak of it again, then we use the. If we are talking about any person, then first time we can use just a or am. But whenever we are talking about that person or place, again, that person or thing, again, we are repeating that word again in the sentence, then we have to use the. Like my father gave me a book. Now we are talking about this book again. The book was very interesting. So we have to use the. The is used when we are speaking of the same thing of the following sentence. If we are using again about any person or thing in the same sentence, second time if we are talking about, then we have to use the for that person or thing. Now let's complete rest of the exercise. Dash farmer bought a donkey from the village fair. He found dash the donkey to be a useful animal. Farmer bought a donkey from the village fair. He found the donkey to be a useful animal. Dash and dash B were good friends. Dash and a bee were good friends. The ant stored sugar and the bee stored honey. I bought dash orange, an orange.
The orange was
Yes,
tasty.
the orange was tasty. Which we are using the because again we are talking about this orange. We have to use the here.
Yes, ma'am.
Shalini has shifted to dash school to a new school. The school is very far. Again, we are talking about that particular school. So we have to use the. Rita wore dash pink dress. A pink dress. The dress was very beautiful. I hope you all have written. Move to the next question.
Yes, ma'am. I will complete.
We also use the with the following. We also use the with the following things. Yes, Arushi.
Ma'am, if we will talk about that thing once again, so we will use the.
Yes, if we are talking about anything again in our sentence, then we have to use the. Like, I bought a phone. I bought a phone. I bought a mobile phone. The mobile phone is very nice. The mobile phone is very interesting. The features of the mobile phone are very interesting. So we have to use the with the second sentence. If we are using again any thing about that particular thing, any word about that particular thing, we are again saying in the next sentence, then we have to use the. For that, and if we are talking about any particular person or thing, then again we have to use the. Like call a girl. If I am saying call a girl, यानी कि एक लड़की को बुलाओ. If I am saying call the girl with the blue shirt, blue jeans, so I am talking about that particular girl. That's why I have to use the. If I am talking about a random girl, call a girl. किसी भी लड़की को बुलाओ. I'm not any particular girl. If I am saying that call a particular girl, so I have to say that call the girl with blue jeans and white top. Understand? If I want to call a particular girl, then we have to use the, not call a girl with. I will not say like this. I'll say that call the girl. I hope you understood. I gave you enough examples. The stars, the moon, the earth, the sun, the sky, they all are, what are they? They all are unique objects. So we have to use universal objects. These are universal truths which cannot be changed. So we have to use the before them, these words. The is used for the title books, holy books, we can say the Gita, the Quran, the Ramayana, with the names of well-known buildings. The famous buildings, we have to use the Taj Mahal, the India Gate, the names of river, the Ganges, the Yamuna, the east, with the directions, the east, the west. But we do not use the before particular names of person or place. किसी भी particular person or place के आगे we don't have to use the. As you can see, Jay is my friend. So the Jay is my friend is wrong answer. Agra is a big city, but we don't have to say the Agra, the New Delhi, the Mumbai. It is exception that we are using the United States. It's different. It's an exception. But we don't have to use the before place or any particular name. Put the wherever you think it is needed and rewrite the sentence. Sun rises in the east. I hope you all can do, but let's complete it. Some of you.
Ma'am, the sun.
Yes. A sun rises east. Next is we could see stars shining in the sky. The
Ma'am, the stars.
yes, we could see the stars shining. Ganges is the sacred river, the Ganges. In English, we call Ganga Ganges. It's the English name of Ganga river. Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal was built by Shah. The Taj. I hope that you all have done this exercise. Next exercise. Next chapter actually.
Ma'am,
Pronouns.
one or more question. One more question.
ma'am, there is also one more question.
I hope you all can do this one question by yourself. I traveled
Yes, ma'am.
on Ganges by boat. It's very simple. I hope you all can do this. The last question you all can do. Complete it by yourself. Question number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter 14. Pronouns. Read the sentences. Ravi has not come to school today. Ravi is not well. Ravi visited the doctor yesterday. The doctor gave Ravi medicine. Ravi feels that if Ravi takes the medicine regularly, Ravi will recover soon. So here we are using the name Ravi all over the paragraph, which we cannot. We can use any other word in place of his name. Like you can see Ravi has not come to school today. So he is not well. We are using he in place of Ravi. He visited to the doctor yesterday. The doctor gave him medicine. Ravi feels that he takes the medicine regularly, he will recover soon. So we are using another word in place of his name, Ravi's name. The word is he and him. So he and him are pronouns. The pronouns which we use in place of noun is called pronoun. Is the simple and short definition of pronoun. Understand? Which you all have to learn. It's important. Like for example, as you can see, he, she, it, they, him, her. They all words are pronoun. We call them pronoun. The donkey fell down because the donkey was tired. So in place of donkey, we can use it. It. The donkey fell down because it was tired. Pronoun it has replaced two words, the and donkey. Some common pronouns are I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. Underline the pronoun in the sentences. It's very simple exercise. Sita told Geeta that she should work hard. Which is pronoun here?
Ma'am,
She.
Yes, she. Riva's mother told her to rest after school hours. Which is pronoun?
ma'am, her.
Her.
Ma'am, her.
The movie was a flop because it was boring.
Ma'am, what?
It was boring.
Oh my God.
It. Why was it? We are using it in place of movie, na? She is leaving the school because her father is getting transferred.
Ma'am, she.
Ma'am, she.
And one more, her. Her.
Ma'am, her.
Yes. The rest of the exercise you all have to complete. Find out the sound. Annapurna of your mic. Rest of the exercise you all have to
Ma'am,
I hope that
ma'am,
yes. Arushi?
ma'am, in A, underline the pronouns in following sentence. The last one, for, there is not her in the for sentence.
But it is written here, na? In book it is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
She is leaving the school because father is. So write down her because there should be her. The question, there is
Yes, ma'am.
printing mistake in question. There should be her. Write down her, make an arrow and write down her and underline that. Because there should be her. Her वहाँ पे होना चाहिए, it's important. Without her, that question is not completed. That was a printing mistake of your book. So, rest of the exercise you all have to do from 5 to 10, move to the next exercise. Rewrite the following passage by replacing the underlined words of the pronoun. Okay, so you just have to replace the words here. Tommy the dog wanted to grow horn like Gory the cow. Actually, one day Tommy ran after Gory and Gory scared him. Gory is a cow. So with the
Ma'am,
word,
she.
yes, with the word cow, we can understand that it's male or female. It's a he or she. So we can write she in place of Gory. She scared him by pointing her horns toward Tommy. And in place of Tommy, we can write him. Understand? Let me write here. She scared him by pointing her horns toward him. That night, Tommy went to India Gate with his master. Tommy saw a hairband with 2 red horns fixed on it. Tommy loved the idea. Tommy wagged. He's a dog, no? So he wagged his tail and pulled his master's shirt till Tommy and his master, he and his master reached the vendor selling hairbands. Tommy's master fixed the hairband on his Tommy head. Tommy got his confidence back. The next Tommy, he ran after Gory and she saw Tommy and ran away. She, he, him, it. This is it. The next exercise. Mine, ours. This pen is mine. No, it is not yours. It is his. Sorry, the pen is actually hers. So mine, yours, ours, his, hers, and theirs are called possessive pronoun because they are show that something belongs to somebody. That's why we have to use these words for showing possession. Like, read the following sentences to understand the use of different possessive pronouns. The book belongs to me. The book is mine. The book belongs to you. The book is yours.
The book is yours.
Yes, the book belongs to us. The book is ours.
Ours.
Read all these sentences which are written here and complete the exercise. Rewrite the sentences using possessive pronoun. The car belongs to him. What is the answer? The car belongs to him.
Ma'am, the car is his.
Yes, the car is his. The dog belongs to her. Answer is?
Ma'am, the dog is her.
The doll is hers. H-E-R-S. Hers. The house belongs to them. The house is?
The house is theirs.
Yes. The house is theirs. The bag belongs to them. The bag belongs to me.
The bag is mine.
Mine. Next, the gift is for you.
The gift is yours.
Yes, the gift is yours. We'll stop. Those pen belongs to you all. The last one. Tell me.
Ma'am, those pens are yours.